Hello everyone. In this video I will solve this different question related to integration of sine function. Okay, so let me start with the simplest one, which is sine square x. From our elementary trigonometry, we know that sine square x can be written as one minus cos square x. So this is from the identity cos square x plus sine square x equals to 1, and this is very easy to remember. You all know this. Okay, there is another version of this sine square x, which is sine square x equals to 1 minus cos cos 2x, and in the denominator we have 2. So these are two equivalent form of sine square x. But how do we know which form we have to use in these questions? So there is a simple trick to it. Whenever you see in the question the sine is coming alone, as in here, there is no other sine term beside this sine square term. So whenever the sine square term comes alone, we will use the formula number 2. Okay, whenever the sine square term comes alone, we will use the formula number 2, and whenever it comes with another sin x, we will use this formula. Okay, so don't worry, the more you practice, the more you learn about it. Okay, so let me start the solution. Here you go. As I already told you, here sine square is alone, that is there is no any other sine square beside this or any sine term. So we will just use this formula, that is 1 minus cos 2x over 2. So we can write it as 1 minus cos 2x over 2. And here we will write dx. Alright, now we will just simplify it. We know that first we will write this integral sign, then we will write our integrate between this integral sign and dx. Here we can simplify our integrand, which is 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 cos 2x cos 2x dx. And many students got confused here when they see they put these integral and dx in incorrect way. So just remember, whenever we have multiple terms, that here we have two terms there, that is 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 cos 2x. So we will move these integral sin and dx to each of these term inside the brackets. Okay, so the trick here, just think of this, that these two are the parents, that this integral sign and dx are the parents and the terms inside are their children. So we will take both of the parents to each of the children inside this bracket to do the justice. Okay, so every children must meet their parents. Okay, so what we do, we can write it as integral sign first child, that is 1/2, then dx, 1/2, then dx. Now integral sign second child, that is 1/2 cos 2x, then dx. Now we can further simplify it by taking all the constant term outside these integral sign. We can write is 1/2 integral sign dx, then minus 1/2 integral sign cos 2x, now all the terms have been simplified. We cannot do further simplification here, because we know that here we can assume that here is 1 and integration of 1 is x, and here we know the direct formula of the simplification of integration of cos 2x, which is sin 2x over 2. So we can just integrate it directly here. We can write 1/2 and answer of here is x minus then 1/2 integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. And then at the end we write constant of integration. If you are confused in the integration of cos 2x, let me show you the direct trick to it. So just know, whenever we have cos of anything, I just use this box here, so you may read as cos of box, so we can find a cos of box here. Cos of any box mean anything is just sine of that anything upon over derivative of that thing. Okay, so here we know the derivative of 2x is 2, so that's why I wrote it here 2. So the video is getting very longer. I will make sure that I will try to solve further question in my next video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Take care.